Hey there, this is an unboxing of my latest Amazon purchase. This is the Flatware set. And as with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody out there thinking about buying the same item. This gives you an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, etc. Got a nice little cloth zipper case here. Nice shiny, almost like a black stainless. Not sure if you're gonna be able to see that okay. Just marked stainless steel. So I ordered one set just to get it in and see what it looks like. And then I'm planning on ordering a couple more. Anyway, it's a quick unboxing. Hope it helps.